Hey, I've got an idea on this bright and sunny day. Let's get out in the great outdoors. Let's study birds. Hello, first grade friends. Hey, we've studied birds and why they can fly. Let's see if we can keep up with a bird flapping its wings. You know, some birds don't really flap hardly at all. Have you ever seen a turkey vulture?
Whoa, check out this turkey vulture. They have long wings and they can soar without flapping their wings for hours.
But what about other birds like the American robin or the black-capped chickadee? They flap their wings really hard to fly. Let's see if we can keep up with the flapping of birds. Hey friends, we've already learned that birds can fly and we cannot. Remember I tried it that one time? Birds have special feathers to fly with. They have special muscles. They have lightweight, hollow bones. Birds have special parts of their body that enable them to fly. But did you know that a bird's wing has similar bone structure to our arm? That's right. If you look at my arm, my hand, if it had feathers coming out, would be a lot like the end of this bird wing. This bird wing is kind of like my arm and hand bent like this. The primary feathers, these long flight feathers, are actually attached to bones in a bird's wing that are kind of like the bones of our hand. So, and this would be actually the wrist joint, and this would be the forearm, like this part of my arm right here. So birds have a similar forearm bone, they have similar wrist bones, and instead of fingers, they've got these big feathers that come out. Now, the bird, this wing, is missing the humerus bone, the upper arm bone. But birds have a humerus, they have a forearm, they have a wrist, and they have a hand that has feathers coming off. Picture feathers coming off my fingers and feathers coming off my forearm, kind of like the feathers on this wing. So birds have a similar structured skeletal structure to their wing as we do to our arm. Now let's see if we can flap our wings or our arms like a bird. Birds are pretty special. You know they have those really strong muscles, right? Well, let's check it out. I'm going to need to use a stopwatch. Look, friends, we measured before and we've actually used math before in science. Remember when we added the number of birds that we had seen? So today we're using a stopwatch to count how many times we can flap in 10 seconds. So I'm going to start the stopwatch and I'm going to try to flap as many times as a crow. Do you know the bird called an American crow? It's a large black bird. Take a look.
Hey, look, it's an American crow. Caw, caw.
Now let's see if we can flap as many times as an American crow can. In 10 seconds, an American crow can flap its wings 20 times. Do you think we can do it? I think we can. Are you ready? Now, when a bird flaps its wings, it's not like this. That's not really the way a bird flies. A bird is tilted over and their wings go up and down like this towards their chest. So when we flap, we're going to do this, kind of like we're clapping our hands and bringing them back. This is one flap, two flaps. Get it? So get your arms out and you see if you can flap your wings as fast as an American crow can. Ready? We'll start and I'll get started. 1, 2, 3, flap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 10 seconds. Did you get to 20 in 10 seconds? 20 or more? Clap your hands if you did. Excellent. So another bird you know about is our state bird, the American robin.
Wow, check out the American robin. What a cool bird.
We've had a lot of robins around here all through the winter this year. Now let's see if we can flap our wings as fast as an American robin. Oh, you want to know how many? An American robin flaps its wings 23 times in 10 seconds. Do you think you can do it? Remember, when you flap, this is one flap. Let's see if you can do that 23 times in 10 seconds. Are you ready? Get ready. I want to see you do this. Get ready. I've got my stopwatch of science. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Start flapping. I'm counting down 10 seconds. Are you flapping right now? Keep flapping. Count the number of flaps. Stop. That was 10 seconds. Did you get 23 or more times? Then you are flapping as fast as an American robin. Good job, friends. It's hard, isn't it? Are you starting to feel your muscles? Wow, friends, I don't know about you, but my chest muscles are sore. Birds have really strong breast or chest muscles for flapping their wings. You know, our leg muscles are pretty strong because as mammals, we walk around a lot, so our leg muscles get strong. Birds fly a lot, so their chest muscles get strong. That makes sense, doesn't it? Hey, I didn't really know all those numbers. I was looking at this cheat sheet I had. Can you see this? Did you know a black-capped chickadee can flap their wings 270 times in 10 seconds? That's amazing.
Whoa,
That's
that's a lot.
27 times in 1 second. 1001. 27 times. That is so hard to believe. And the champion flapper, you probably know our smallest bird in Michigan, don't you? The smallest bird in Michigan. I wonder what it is. Get it? This is a hint. I wonder what it is. That's right, it's the hummingbird. The hummingbird can flap its wings an incredible 700 times
Wow.
in 10 seconds. 700 times. That's 70 times in 1 second.
Wow, ruby-throated hummingbird, you are amazing. Hey friends, now it's your turn. See if you can record yourself flapping.
Birds are amazing. They can fly. They have special feathers for flight. They weigh less than we do. They have strong chest muscles. Aren't birds amazing? We couldn't keep up, could we? Friends, have a great day. See you later.